It's me. How are you? Welcome to my vlog. I know you clicked it because you know I'm living here in Dubai. Or maybe you know me. Do you? Being alone here in this beautiful city like Dubai is really difficult. It feels like you are working here, but you're also traveling. It also makes me stronger than I ever was. Am I stronger? Let's eat. Sometimes I just want to sit alone, eat and think and say these words. What is my purpose? What is the purpose of this vlog? I figured out that there's also like me that who's sometimes feeling emotional and heartbroken. Maybe without a reason, or maybe with a reason. But one thing's for sure, I wanted to touch their heart, your heart. I just wanted you to know that no matter how hard life's hit, this is not a punishment here. It was given to us. We should cherish this, and we just have to figure it out. How to live this life, this wonderful life.